Hey everyone, this is Tyler with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. In today's video, we are going to be replacing the battery in our Ultimate Ears Everboom. If your speaker isn't holding a charge very long, battery's dying quickly, this repair can help restore its battery life. The required tools for this repair will be from our 50-in-1 toolkit, the 2.5 hex head bit, a plastic spudger, as well as a metal pry tool, and also a replacement battery. All of these tools will be linked down below in the description. To start things off, we're going to want to make sure our speaker is powered off, which it is. From there, we're going to be working from the bottom side here. We will be removing this cover. Once we have access to the cover below, we will remove these 4 screws and the battery should just pop right out. So to start, I'm going to grab my metal pry tool. I'm only using the metal right here. Once we get into where the battery actually is, I will just be using plastic. But to start, we're just going to start on the edge here. Right off. And there's our 4 screws. From here, we'll grab our bit and remove these 4 screws. I'll lay this down so it's not up in the face. Those batteries removed, we can get this cap pulled off here. And there we can see our battery. To get this guy out, I just flip it over and smack it into the palm of my hand. That should be enough to pop it out. Once it's started a bit, you can grab it with your fingers and it should slide the rest of the way out. Next step, take your replacement battery, make sure that it is lined up properly, and insert it. You should see the boom kick on. That's good. That's a good sign. That means the battery is working and everything is connected. So at this point, we will replace the cap. Once you have those 4 screws secured back into place, you can take your sticker and replace it. Line it up as best as you can. And there you have it. That's it. As you can see, it's a pretty straightforward process to swap out the battery. It's just getting this sticker removed, popping those 4 screws out, taking the battery out, putting it in, and putting it all back together. Once it's in, we can see it is still working. I still have power. Let me turn it off. And that's that. If you found this video helpful, please remember to hit the like and subscribe, and check out Joe's JGE&x for parts, tools, or to send your device in for repair. As I mentioned previously, all the tools and the replacement battery will be linked down below and can be found on our website. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.